is another success story in real life for someone who is using resolution mastery tools and SMART goals. Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in the previous video, I shared with us my personal own story, how I was using all these tools we are looking into this training program and how these brought incredible achievements in my life and joy and satisfaction. And in this video, I want to share another one's story, someone who is really famous, someone in the sports world who is one of the biggest names ever. And this is Michael Phelps. His name is known all over the place, all over the world, not just in the swimming area where he is a master, but in all the sports achievements, because what he did, it's incredible. He is the most decorated Olympian of all times, winning 28 golden medals for the 5 Olympic Games he was taking participation. In all his career, he has 82 medals. He won 65 gold medals out of them. Incredible achievements. At the moment, he has a foundation and he's supporting the swimming sport and also the health lifestyle of people around. And it's incredible, a person who is a young person, he has amazing, incredible achievements. And the questions I'm asking myself, how a person can achieve such incredible results. First of all, you have to do definitely resolutions. You have to be decisive. You have to know what you want and where you're going in your life. There is no other way you can achieve all these achievements. The other thing is, definitely you have to set up goals for yourself. Definitely you have to be clear, you have to be specific, you have to be measurable, achievable. Definitely you have to be really smart about all your goals. They have to be relevant and they have to be time bound. I can imagine him preparing for each and every competition, even if it's just in his country, America, or outside America, Olympic Games. He has to be focused. There is no other way he can achieve all this unless it's really specific, measurable, achievable, and he can track it and he can be focused on it and he can be relevant, because he's a sport person. He's relevant in everything. He's time bound. I can imagine the preparation even for Olympics. Imagine someone who is sports person preparing themselves for the Olympics. You can imagine they have a really strict agenda, strict diet, strict sleeping pattern, strict really training process in the morning, in the afternoon, all the time. It doesn't just happen to be an Olympic gold medalist, especially if it's a couple of dozens of times. So it has to be really bound. And this is where the results come. This is where it comes. So the outcome and the takeaway of this video is, first of all, you don't have to go to the Olympics in order to achieve something big and massive in your life. The second thing is, no matter where you are in your life, even if you are worldly unknown like I am, or worldly known like Mike Phelps is, we all need to set up our goals and our desires. And the third thing is, please start believing it is possible. It is possible. If me, as a normal human, if I'm able to accomplish projects and to achieve incredible results in my life, or people like Mike Phelps, they are able to achieve incredible results in their life, it is possible for you as well to act and achieve incredible results. All you want to do and all you need to do, go back to our training program, go through the steps, set up a goal for you, make it specific, make it measurable, make it achievable, make it relevant, make it time bound. Do it this way. Go pursue your dreams, and then your dreams can become reality, and you have the biggest joy of your life when they're heart desires, when they're aligned together with your values and your bigger goals. So go and do it. What do you really want for the next 3, 6 to 12 months in your life? Ask yourself this question. What do you really want for yourself to see, to accomplish in your life in the next 3, 6 to 12 months? So thank you so much. This was part 2 of our training program where we were talking about how to set up realistic goals. And we will continue our journey in the next video. So thank you so much for your time. I'll see you soon. Bye.